Hello everyone. In this video we are going to see how to troubleshoot TSIM cell notification policy. Log into TSIM server, open admin console and verify the notification policy. First thing, you should verify whether the notification service is not empty. If it is empty, then you should follow the below document link to add the notification service. Then make sure that the source of a notification is set correctly. After setting notification source and notification service, still if the notification email is not working, then check the SMTP server details on your OS. This can be confirmed by manually sending test email using command smail. -T parameter specifies the recipient's email address. -S specifies the subject of the email and -body the body of the email. If the email is not sent, then it will throw an error as an output. If you don't see any error and still the email is not received, then verify with your SMTP server management team if emails are stuck on the SMTP server side. If the smail command does not work, then it means SMTP server details are not stored in OS and you should register manually using command smail-install. You need to execute this command from pw server bin smail-install, your server details and the sender email address. 2 is the n number of tries and 25 is my SMTP server port. Hit enter to register smail. You can see that the SMTP is installed on your server. For the Linux server, it is recommended to take assistance from your Linux administrator as the procedure to register SMTP depends on various factors. Let's send an event using msend command and we will verify the notification email. The event is triggered and the email notification is received. That concludes my video. Thank you.